Ever found yourself in a pickle trying to decide between React or Next.js for your project? If so, you're certainly not alone. In the realm of JavaScript, React and Next.js stand as two of the most prominent technologies, each boasting its own set of features that make them appealing to web developers across the globe. React, a JavaScript library, has been a game-changer in the development world, offering a new way to create interactive user interfaces. On the other hand, Next.js, a framework built on top of React, simplifies the development environment, making it an attractive choice for those seeking a more streamlined process. However, with these two powerful technologies at our disposal, it's not uncommon for developers to face a conundrum when deciding which to use for their projects. In this video, we will delve deeper into React and Next.js, comparing and contrasting their features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start with understanding what React is. React, often referred to as React.js, is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. It's designed to build user interfaces, particularly for single-page applications. By enabling developers to create reusable UI components, React helps in the creation of complex UIs. Its component-based architecture allows components to manage their own states, thereby making the code more predictable and easier to debug. It also introduces a virtual DOM that enhances the performance of the app by minimizing direct manipulation of the DOM. This virtual representation of the UI is kept in memory and synced with the real DOM by a library called React DOM. React is not just popular, it's widely used in the industry to build user interfaces for web applications. Its robust features and efficient performance have made it a choice of many developers worldwide. React's popularity is undeniable, but what about Next.js? Let's delve into that. Now let's switch gears and talk about Next.js. Developed by Vercel, Next.js is an open-source JavaScript framework that's built on top of React, enhancing its capabilities. It allows you to create fast, user-friendly web applications and static websites. But it doesn't stop there. Next.js is notable for its features like server-side rendering and static site generation, which are not native to React. This means you can pre-render your pages on the server before sending them to the client, which can significantly improve your app's performance and SEO. Additionally, Next.js integrates with Node.js and Babel, making server-side operations easier and more convenient. So, if you're already comfortable with React and want to take your projects to the next level, or if you're new to front-end development and looking for a framework with a gentle learning curve, Next.js is definitely worth considering. With these basic understandings, we can now compare these two side by side. Now that we have a basic understanding of both, let's put React and Next.js head-to-head. React is a JavaScript library, primarily used for building user interfaces. It's flexible, efficient, and has a large community of developers, making it a great choice for many projects. However, its flexibility can also be a disadvantage, as it requires more decision-making and configuration, which can slow down development. Next.js, on the other hand, is a framework built on top of React. It simplifies the development process by providing a well-defined structure and removing the need for extensive configuration. Next.js also offers server-side rendering out of the box, which can improve performance and SEO. However, this simplicity and structure can also be limiting. It may not be the best choice for projects that require a high degree of customization or unique functionality. In terms of performance, both React and Next.js can deliver high-performing applications. However, Next.js has the edge with its built-in server-side rendering. This feature can significantly improve initial page load times and overall performance, especially for larger and more complex applications. When it comes to learning curve, React might be easier to grasp initially due to its singular focus on the view layer. Next.js, while more comprehensive, might require a bit more time to fully understand and utilize its features. In terms of community and support, React has been around longer and therefore has a larger community. This means more resources, more open-source projects, and more developers familiar with it. Next.js, while newer, is growing rapidly and has a vibrant and supportive community. So which one should you choose? It depends on your project's needs. If you need a flexible and well-supported library for building complex user interfaces, React might be the way to go. If you prefer a more structured environment, server-side rendering, and less configuration, Next.js could be a better choice. As we can see, both React and Next.js have their own strengths and weaknesses. The choice between them depends largely on the project's needs. Let's wrap things up and summarize what we've learned today. We've delved into the world of web development frameworks, particularly focusing on React and Next.js. Both of these technologies offer a plethora of features that can supercharge your web applications, as demonstrated by their use in high-profile platforms like TikTok, Nike, and Hulu. React, a JavaScript library, offers a powerful way to build user interfaces with a component-based architecture. It's flexible, efficient, and provides an excellent developer experience. However, it's not without its drawbacks. React requires a significant amount of setup and configuration, which can be a barrier to entry for some developers. Additionally, server-side rendering is not inherently supported, which can impact the performance and SEO of your application. On the other hand, we have Next.js, a framework built on top of React. Next.js takes the advantages of React and extends them further, providing a simplified development environment and out-of-the-box support for server-side rendering. With a smaller learning curve, it's a great choice for developers new to front-end development. However, it's worth noting that Next.js might be overkill for smaller projects, and it requires a specific directory structure which could limit flexibility. In essence, both React and Next.js are powerful tools in their own rights, and the decision between them should be based on your project's specific needs. If you need a flexible, component-based approach with a focus on the client side, React could be the way to go. But if you're looking for a streamlined, server-side solution with a simplified development environment, Next.js might just be your ticket. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer in web development. The right choice between React and Next.js will depend on your project's specific needs and requirements. Happy coding!